In this video, we will discuss and compare Whonix versus Tails versus Cubes and which is the best for privacy. So I have in here this particular Reddit thread which compares these three together. So as you can see, based on user experience, generally speaking, any GNU or Linux distribution is already private. These three are already private itself. It's your activity and what you install that will change those. If you're looking for obfuscating those, then you've already listed good options for different threat models. You just need to figure out what your threat model is. So for example, you can just hide activity online and make it a lot harder for websites to identify. So typically something like this is needed a VPN or any OS that are incognito mode. Tails and cubes are for much more involved threat models, like when your life and freedom are at risk and inconvenience ways the lack of opportunity. So unpopular opinion from this user says that directing all traffic to TOM may be good for anonymity. So you can also use this in order to appeal. It Thus, other users recommended a combination of Qubes and Whonix, and they also offer different things. So the last two are largely overkill unless you're actually looking for hiding for a long time. So in some cases, all of them are good, but typically Whonix is the one that's winning this game. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.